Hello guys, today I'm talking about replacing the rear console center vent for the Audi Q5. The year is from 2009 to 2016, and this one you can see the part number. I bought this one, a used one on eBay. The part number is AK0819-203E. Sometimes the letter here is maybe different, maybe Z or Y or whatever, but doesn't matter. They can use the same on Audi A5 as well, A4. You can see the part number here as well, AK0819-203. About the part, there's a notice I want to tell you guys. Is this part right here. When you buy the used one, making sure it's look like this. Sometimes they're just missing this part, and it's very inconvenient for you guys. And you see here, to turn on and off the fan, you got look. That's how it works. If you guys buy the used one, making sure must have this one right here. You can see here, this part is broken and it's worn out and stuff, so I decided to replace a new one, which is right here. It's actually not new one. I got this one, a used one, but in a good, very nice condition on eBay. And to replace it, you just need this simple tool. It's called a trim removal, just this one. And we'll go from down here. You will see the line here. Just pop at the corner. Like this. Put it out, and here's a connector right behind it. It does. Just pop it, plug it off. Already out. It's an old one, dirty and old broken stuff. So for this one, look better a lot, right? Turn it back. Plug the connector. And here you see the tab right here. Making sure you put it down first. Put it down first before you push it forward. Wait a second. Okay. You go like this. Don't do like this. You go like this. Tap down. Swiggle a little bit. That's it, and it looks good. This is just the tool I just used to replace the center console for my car. It's called a trim removal. I bought the whole kit on Amazon for just 16 to 20 bucks. It's pretty helpful, have everything. You can check it out on Amazon.